The 3-month prone press up for the upper back. It's going to be a great exercise to get the range of motion going in our shoulders as well as strengthen the muscles in our back, specifically mid-lower trap as well as that serratus muscle. It's also going to work on our deep neck flexors. We're going to be loading our neck in a different position than we're used to. We're going to really be holding those muscles accountable to do their job properly. So to get in this position, we're going to lay on our stomach. We're going to outstretch our arms overhead, bent at the elbow, and we're going to have the elbows be at about eye or ear level. When I look from side to side, it should split those in half. I don't want to be too far up here because I won't be able to activate the muscles I need to, nor do I want to be really wide out here because same thing, it's not going to activate the muscles in the way that we need them to. So bent elbow, slice those ears or eyes in half when we look from side to side. We're going to start in this position down at the ground, and the movement's going to look like this. As I do this motion, I'm focused on unshrugging my shoulders, right? So as I go up, I'm not leaving my shoulders here. I want them to be nice and relaxed. Those upper traps, we want them to turn off. They should not be doing the work. So you're going to feel a nice stretch on those upper traps and some good activation in those shoulders. As I push up away from the ground, I'm using my elbows as my only fulcrum point to really arch away from the ground. I'm pretending like the floor is hot lava. I'm grounding through those elbows. My shoulders, my upper traps are relaxed. My hands could move in this position. I shouldn't be gripping the earth. I'm really pushing up through those elbows and holding. And as I'm up in this position, I'm not letting my neck go forward, nor am I arching it up like this. I'm bringing that chin in that chin tuck we've talked about, trying to give myself a double chin, getting nice, long, and tall through that upper back. And down. Ideally, I tell people to do this for holds for seconds because we're activating those deep neck flexors here on the front, and we're activating those posterior rotator cuff muscles as well as that mid-lower trap as I'm pushing the ground away. So getting into this position can be difficult, but once you get the cues down, you'll be able to find that you're getting into it a little quicker than normal. And then once we get there, just hold and really try to fatigue those muscles and use them in a way that they're not used to being activated. The problem we run into if we do this for repetitions, if we're going down and up, I'm losing my form. I'm not using my neck muscles the way I need to be using them, and I'm not getting tall through that upper back, right? So pretend like the ground's hot lava. I'm pushing, I'm trying to pretend like there's a piece of string pulling that upper back towards the ceiling.